Donker web karakters, die baker. So, if you have read the book, you know by now who the baker is and what his name is. So, kom ons kyk. Wat is sy naam? Die baker is Sebastian Stadler. So let's look at where in the book Greg had an interaction with the baker without knowing that it is the baker. Waar het Greg met die baker gepraat sonder dat hy weet dat hy met die baker praat? So eerstens, in hoofstuk 14 gaan hy na Thomas Lawson se partytjie. In chapter 14, he goes to the party hosted by Thomas Lawson. Remember, his mom kind of forced him. She asked nicely, but she forced him to go to this party. So at this party, he started talking to this guy who introduced him as Sebastian Stadler, but he didn't know it was the baker. So Sebastian told him a few things about himself, his childhood, and what did he tell him? Some weird things. Dat sy pa het hom mishandel. So he was abused and beaten by his dad. Hy het diere doodgemaak op die plaas. So there he started to kill animals, to poison them. Hy het hulle vergiftig en hy sou hulle opstop. So throughout his whole room there would be dead, stuffed animals. Volgende interaksie was hoofstuk 49 at the Academia Museum. Greg was looking at the David beeld when a man started talking to him about the David beeld and about perfection out of imperfections. The baker spoke to him as well as Valkyrie, but he didn't know that. So kom ons kyk na die baker se kinderjare. Wat weet ons van hom? So he grew up op die plaas, the farm uit Skotkraal. We know by now sy pa het hom mishandel. He was abused by his dad. His dad was a very strict guy. En hy diere doodgemaak en opgestop. Let's look at his werk en projekte. So his work, his job and his project. So hy's 'n dokter, hy's 'n viroloog. Projects that he has been part of is Project Ghost, Project Nursery Rhyme en breinbeheer. So the most recent one is breinbeheer op babas. Okay, some more information about him. Hy hou van wyn, he likes wine, klassieke musiek, classical music, hy dra pakke, he wears suits, en hy het 'n sambreel met 'n gargoyle kop op. So he has an umbrella, but with the head of a gargoyle. En, baie belangrik, most importantly, he's very cruel, hy's baie wreed. Kom ons kyk na sy vrou. Sy vrou se naam is Valkyrie, of hulle noem haar Valkyrie. He calls her his Lady Macbeth because she encourages him to kill. But we will learn more about her in her own video. Dan mense wat hy vermoor het. He has killed or had killed a lot of people. Nommer 1, Zander se pa. So, Regter Gericke. Nommer 2, Rian Trollip. He had him killed in die tronk. The same with Doc Pienaar, he had him killed in die tronk en hy was ook verantwoordelik vir die aanval op Chris Owen. So he also had Greg's dad killed, however he survived and he ended up in ICU. But another person that he tried to kill was Greg, with a cap with a poison on. Die cap met gif, but luckily Greg survived. En kom ons kyk nou na die baker se einde. How did it end for him? So Zander skiet hom met 3 koels.
Okay guys, I hope that this helped you. Click below here where I landed to check out the playlist. Goodbye.